So the next step in the process is to unwrap this cube so we can get a map of the textures that are applied to it. So we're going to go to a new tab that we haven't been to before called the UV editing tab. And so here we can see a map of the textures. So we are going to want to export this so we can edit it and apply our 2D crate images to each of these sections. So let's go ahead and do that now by going to the UV menu, and we are going to export UV layout. So we click on that. That'll bring up our file export dialog. So you can give it a name and then click on export. So the next thing we're going to do is head on over to opengameart.org. I will provide a link to this website in the description below, and we've got this nice public domain image of a crate that we're going to use and apply to our exported texture map.